astronomical telescope. We have to discuss about the astronomical telescope to deduce magnification power, structure and its function with an expression. At first, the structure of telescope, in which there are two convex lens are coaxial on a principal axis. One of them is objective piece and eyepiece. In both the lens, the focal length of eyepiece is larger than the eyepiece. Both are adjusted on principal axis of distance FO plus FE. FO and FE, the distance between two lenses. It is OP, that is objective piece, and EP, eyepiece. Optical center O of objective piece and optical center E for the eyepiece. In this telescope, incident ray coming from infinity, that is incidented on the eyepiece, and get converged to cut the principal axis and go forwarded to fall on the eyepiece. Again, another ray from infinity incidented and passing through the optical center of IP and go forwarded to cut refracting ray at any point and fall down on the eyepiece. Another ray that is incidented on the principal axis and cut at the same point and fall on the eyepiece. and re-refracted by the eyepiece to the observer. The point where the refracting ray meet together, which is the image point, that is Q dash. A perpendicular is drawn over the principal axis P dash Q dash. The angle made by the first ray, that is alpha and beta. Now we have to discuss about the magnification, power, structure and their function. So we draw an expression. The distance between the two lenses, objective piece and eyepiece, is FO plus FE. FO plus FE. Now we come to about the definition of astronomical telescope. It is a device which has two convex lens adjusted on a principal axis, where objective piece has the larger focal length than the eyepiece. Now condition is condition A. Here, when telescope and focus for an object is at infinity, when telescope and focus is at infinity to the object. जब ऑब्जेक्ट टेलीस्कोप और इसके साथ इन्फिनिटी से आता हो, at first the image made by the objective piece at the focus magnification of the astronomical telescope astronomical telescope. Here m equal to the angle of eyepiece upon angle of objective piece. here is the angle alpha and the beta. So alpha is angle of objective piece and beta is angle of eyepiece. The aperture of the both objective and eyepiece are larger, but but focal length of objective piece is larger than the focal length of the eyepiece. So we can write m magnification power equal to beta upon alpha. Angle is very smaller, then we can write m equal to tan beta upon tan alpha. According to tan beta to the eyepiece, we write here P dash Q dash upon EP dash, perpendicular to base. Perpendicular to base, therefore we can write P dash Q dash upon EP dash, the ratio of tan alpha, angle of objective piece, that is P dash Q dash upon OP. OP the object, it is not mentioned here because it is coming from infinity. So P dash Q dash upon OP. Now it proceed to make P dash Q dash upon EP dash into OP upon P dash Q dash. These are eliminated, so therefore M equal to OP upon EP dash. Here we measure OP. OP is not known, O is not, P is not known, but O is here, that is called the focal length, FO, focal length of objective piece. So we can write FO upon FE. That is FO upon FE. This is the magnification of telescope when telescope and focus is at infinity to the object. Here come to here, M equal to FO by FE. It made 1 by FE into FO into FO. we can apply this relation when we come to the second case. Now we have second case, that is for the view, real view of an object, we have to need the second case, that is when object is at minimum distance of clear vision. Case B, when object is at a distance of that is minimum distance of clear vision. The adjustment of convex lens are different as per the first case, so we take two lenses. One is objective piece and another is eyepiece. Which are adjusted on the principal axis, whose optical center is O and E, that is EP of eyepiece and O piece. Here is the distance between the objective piece and eyepiece is FO plus UE. Now, a ray from the infinity when incidented on the objective piece, it converges to cut principal axis and fall on at a certain point, and another ray that is passing through the optical center and refracted to meet at that certain point where the first ray is going on. The point where both the refracting ray meet together, which made Q point, and a perpendicular is drawn on the PA as PQ. Now the second ray that is incidented on the eyepiece, and first ray also incidented on the eyepiece through the optical center and go refracted to go forward to the observer. Here observer is present, that observing the situation, position, nature of the image of the object. But when we produce the last refracting ray that is going to the observer, proceed back in their straight way, then they meet together at a distance under the focal length of the objective piece. Under the focal length of the objective piece. Where both the ray meet together to form an image of PQ as P dash Q dash, P dash Q dash. Which is image form of the object that is in infinity make the image clear vision at a minimum distance. Here angle made is beta and this angle is alpha. Now we come to study about the magnification of astronomical telescope when object is at minimum distance of clear vision. Minimum distance means minimum distance of clear vision you have to study in class 10, that is 25 cm for a healthy person. इमेज PQ का इमेज 25 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पर बनता है, जो स्पष्ट दृष्टि की न्यूनतम दूरी है. Now, magnification of this structure of telescope, magnification, as you know, in case first, here the alpha and beta, the angle of objective piece and angle of eyepiece are very, very smaller than it can written as m बराबर m is equal to beta by alpha, that is angle of EP upon angle of OP. Angle of image and angle of object. M equal to, angle is very shorter and smaller, so it can retain tan beta upon tan alpha. That is also written as PQ by EP. This is the right angle triangle, so it is written as PQ by EP upon, now here is the another angle, that is this, so it is written as PQ upon OP. This distance here, the angle made by this PQ upon OP, it is the base and it is the perpendicular and make a right angle triangle. Such type of angles you have to study in measurement of lens formula, mirror formula, and relation between focal length is just half its center of curvature or radius of curvature. So when it is operated, then PQ by EP equal to OP by PQ. This PQ eliminated to form OP upon EP. That is OP upon EP, it is clear before. Sometimes the distance between the both lenses are FO plus UE, so that is FO plus UE to the eyepiece. Then OP is FO upon UE. This is the first equation. According to formula of this is the second equation. According to formula of lens, we have V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This is the lens formula. Here the image, that is VE, that is equal to D, minimum distance of clear vision. In the same side, so it can retain 1 by minus VE minus 1 by minus UE equal to 1 by FE with respect to the eyepiece. With respect to the eyepiece. Now we come to solve the problem forming of image by the astronomical telescope when object is between the telescope and the focus and when object is placed at a minimum distance of clear vision. So this formula of lens give some way, that is 1 by minus VE plus 1 by UE equal to 1 by FE, or 1 by UE equal to 1 by FE plus 1 by VE. If we common 1 by FE from this relation, so 1 by UE equal to 1 by FE, that is 1 plus FE upon VE. Mathematically, here is some problem. When 1 by F is taken out, this relation, it become 1, and when it is divide 1 by FE, here is 1 by VE divided by 1 by FE, that is FE upon VE. That is clear. So 1 by UE, the value of UE from the equation first, and here is the clear minimum distance of clear vision VE equal to D. So we can write VE equal to 1 by FE into 1 plus FE by D. In first case, you have seen 1 by U equal to 1 by U and 1 by FE. This way we can write 1 by UE equal to this relation, we come to know about. After putting the value of UE in the equation first, second, then we get 1 by UE equal to 1 by UE equal to, by the magnification of the lens of the second conditions, when object is at a minimum distance of clear vision, we represent it FO upon FE into 1 plus FE upon D. This relation is the final relation of the astronomical telescope, but here this relation is the final relation of the situation of the telescope when object is at minimum distance of clear vision, and before we study a relation of the condition when telescope and the focus is placed between the object, then their final magnification is to FO upon UE. It is the magnification of case first, magnification of case second, magnification, final magnification of both the conditions. Astronomical telescope which observing the situation under the ground and the universe.